Hey guys, Moshe the Electric Israeli is here, and I'm here with my 2021 Tesla Model 3, and I'm going to install this beautiful front lip fascia that I got from EVBASE, and I'm going to make it quick and simple. I don't want to take too much of your time, so you can get right to it and do it yourself. So it does come in this box. It comes in 3 pieces. And I'm going to show you how to put it right now. But because I got it during Christmas time, so I got these 2 Santa Claus hats. I'm not going to put one. Now it comes with 3 pieces, the front piece and 2 sides. Now let me tell you, unlike other videos that I saw, let me tell you, this is much easier when 2 people do it. Not the last part per se, but the first part, because you have to attach it right here. There are 2 holes right here, and there are 2 small screws that go in here, and it is a very difficult angle. So if one person holds it in one side, and other person is holding for the other side, and then you can put the screws in with the screwdriver to put it in. So it's not easy to do by yourself, okay? Because it's in an angle, okay? You see that? And then there is another screw that you put right here. Yeah, you can see that you put this screw first. Let me show you the other side as well. You put this screw right here. I'm going to touch it right here. You're going to put it first. You hold it right here when they're all flush. Okay, guys, the next thing you do, you get 2 of these packets, these primers. It is plenty. You open it up like so. All right, and you take it out. Open up a little bit. And then give it a primer. Okay, here we go, just like so. In the bottom as well. It's really, really good. All right, halfway this way. Then I throw this away, I take the next one. See, I take the next one, open it up. Give it to the other side, and then comes the rubbing alcohol. Okay? Alright, so we finish with that, and then the next one is the rubbing alcohol. The next thing you want is an alcohol. I got the 91% alcohol. All right, different rag. Don't mix up the rag again. Out of the laundry, out of the dryer. Put some, and then give it a rub all throughout the surface where the front lip fascia is going to touch. Again, do not be cheap and do not be lazy. Okay, good stuff. Right there, underneath, it's good. Give it a few seconds to dry, and then we're going to slide the front fascia right into the slot. So give it like, I don't know, a few seconds to dry. Then you take all the adhesive out, all the cover for the adhesive out, and you slide it right in between, and then we're going to put tape, and then we're going to put some screws in it, okay? Here we go. So it's coming right in here. All right. It stays beautifully. All right, you hold tight until it stays, and then we're gonna put some screws in it, and but we're gonna do tape first. Let me show you. Okay, guys, I put some tape, some painter's tape, and in certain areas some duct tape. To be honest with you, and I saw a lot of videos of people who put the screws in. This is very, very strong. Really, really strong. Okay, really strong. However, I am going to put it on a jack and maybe put some couple screws in it just so you can see. Leave the tape for a couple days. This is so beautiful. This is really a mean looking machine. All right, let me lift it up. Okay, as you see, I lifted the car a little bit up, not too much. And you see it's off the ground, good. Now I highly recommend that you use this drill to make a little hole, on the lip, not all the way in. Okay, so some people, I saw some videos, people putting 6 screws. I put 2. I mean, this is so strong. I don't think there's any issue whatsoever. So I made 2 holes, one here, one there, and then 2 little screws. Let's see if I can show them to you. 1 second. Here, there's one, you see? Put 2 little screws, and that is it. Strong and awesome. Okay, everybody, my work is done. As you can see, this came out really good. I chose this matte lip cover for my Tesla Model 3, my 2021 Tesla Model 3. You know, it took about 20 minutes. Now, I did have to let it sit for about 48 hours with the tape, but it is so strong, and I hope you enjoy it. You can get it on EVBASE website. You can use my code TEI, get 20% off your price. Also, as you can see, I got the rim cover, the Urban Turbine rim cover. Also on my website, on the EVBASE website, you can get there, use my referral code, and you can get the 20% off. Okay, thank you, enjoy.